Fence rails loosening because nails keep pulling out is a total pain, but you can fix it without spending a fortune or calling a pro every time. So, first thing, check if the nails are just old and rusty. Those suckers lose grip over time. If they are, swap them out for galvanized or stainless steel nails that won't pull out as easily. Next, instead of nails, try using screws. They hold way better and won't back out with the wind or temperature changes. When you're putting rails back, make sure the wood is dry and not warped. Wet or bent wood can mess up the grip and cause loosening. Another trick is to drill pilot holes before hammering or screwing in fasteners so the wood doesn't split and lose hold. If you notice the nail holes are too big, fill them with wood filler or glue some wooden toothpicks in there before renailing. It gives the nail something to grip. Tighten things up regularly, especially after storms or heavy wind, because small loosening can turn into bigger problems fast. Lastly, if the fence is old, think about reinforcing the rails with metal brackets, which add extra support and keep everything tight. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fence rails loosening is using regular nails instead of screws or better fasteners. Nails just pull out easier with time and weather changes. Fix that by switching to screws or weather-resistant nails like galvanized ones. Another problem is not checking if the wood is dry before fixing the rails. Putting nails in wet or warped wood causes it to lose grip quickly, so always use dry wood and drill pilot holes to avoid splits. The last common issue is ignoring small problems until they get worse. Those tiny nail withdrawals at first can lead to big fence damage later, so keep an eye on your fence and tighten things up as soon as you spot any looseness. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for finding local contractors you can actually trust to fix stuff like fences without drama. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with homeowners who need their skills, making it way easier for both sides to find each other.